What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Jordan and today we're going to be putting E85 in the tank of the Datsun 280Z to help us pass a smog check. Hopefully. Our car has passed smog check the last 2 years in a row, and we have a high flow catalytic converter on the car, and I didn't think it was going to be a problem. But 2 days ago, I went and got it smogged, and we failed the test. And this could have been because of multiple reasons, but I think that maybe our high flow cat might be wearing out, and also I didn't heat up the car and heat up the catalytic converter enough. But you know, I definitely want to pass this time, so I'm going to take some additional steps to make sure that we pass this time around. It's pretty simple. We're gonna go on an extended drive and really get that catalytic converter heated up, but also I'm gonna stop at a gas station that gives us E85, which is ethanol, 15% gas, 85% ethanol, and that ethanol is gonna lean out our gas mixture and give us less emissions per the emissions test. So I have about 4 gallons of gas left in the car. I'm gonna put about 1 gallon of ethanol in the car, which hopefully should work. I may also tweak the timing of the car and reduce the timing to help make it run a little bit hotter, and maybe that will heat up the cat even further, and hopefully that works. So come along with me and let's get started. All right, moment of truth, boys. Just 1 gallon in here, and that should do it. Now we're gonna adjust the tune, and I'm gonna reduce the timing a little bit. Let's just do 6 degrees. And then we'll see how that goes. All right guys, so we just rolled up to the smog place, and unfortunately I'm in line. I couldn't just roll up and be the first person, so I'm keeping the car on and letting it idle, so that way the cat stays nice and warm. I reduced the timing by a cumulative 10 degrees when I was on the highway, and it definitely feels more sluggish, and my car is not tuned for ethanol-rich gas, so it definitely needs more fuel to get the full power benefit of the ethanol, and I just don't have it. So the car definitely feels more sluggish, and the timing is reduced, but looks like we're up next, and hopefully we pass the test. Drum roll, please. Fail again. So you can see the first time we got a 5.5 out of 2.5 and a 6.1% out of 2.5, and then this time we got a 4.5 and a 4.4. So definitely an improvement, but I honestly don't know what to do next to make this thing pass. So we'll see. Definitely a disappointing result for me in the Datsun today, because we have new injectors, we have a catalytic converter, it's only 2 years old, we have new spark plugs, we have a refurbished AFM meter. So I honestly don't know what I need to do next to make this thing pass smog, and I have to make it pass smog because I don't really qualify for a lot of the exemptions, and yeah, so I don't know, maybe I'm gonna have to upgrade to a computer or a new ECU to have like proper AFR mixture and all that stuff. So I'm not really sure. I'm pretty disappointed because I just wanted to get it registered and whatever. So I have to get a moving permit for the next 90 days. That way I can drive it, and hopefully in that 90 days I can fix the problem and get it smogged with a pass. So if you have any comments or suggestions, let me know in the comments. Otherwise, help your boy out, like that video and subscribe to the channel, and we will see you next time. Thanks again.